Hi everybody, it is Jen and I am here with my ASC design team package, and it starts out with the pen. Everybody loves the pens. They are the best promo pens ever. And then we got some freebies here. So for if Crystal has overstock and or some promotional things that her company send her, she sticks them in boxes, so don't be surprised if you get some freebies. And what I do is I go through and I find coordinating papers, and I have a video coming up of how I store my papers and you'll be able to see it. But I just find a similar collection if I don't have the old collection, like this one. These are 3 sheets from the Old Manor collection from Mente. If I don't have this collection, I'll find one that's close in colors and or theme. And this one is the Harmony collection. So got some freebies there. And then Mente cut apart. We have some from the, and this is called, it's a bonus sheet, not for resale, so you can see right there. There's a promo from the company. And this one is, not sure it has a name on it, but I think it would coordinate well with the, this one here. If that's not, maybe that does, maybe it goes to it. But, yeah, similar colors, so these two will go together in my stash. And then I got some sample rice papers. So we have a floral, which is very nice. I have not found my rice paper yet. I'm rebuilding my stash with my new stuff, but have not found my original stash of rice paper. I know I probably sandwiched it between 2 of something so it didn't get damaged. Not that it matters because it's rice paper, but yeah, I don't know, but we'll find it. We'll find it. So I should tell you who this is. This is the ITD collection. I got mandalas from the ITD collection. These may all be from ITD. Another floral. I like the blues on that one. This one has, it's like a nice frame. I think this would go good around like a jar or a bottle. I have bottles. It's also ITD. Cool postcards. And then, oh, I like this one. Look at the door. See the door? ITD. It doesn't say, it says don't just stand there, make something happen. I like that door. And then this isn't something that I would typically get, but I do love it. And you can do so many things with these. These are the ITD, so we could do coasters, which would be fun. I did some coasters in the past. We could do Christmas ornaments. I've done those before. Yeah, lots of things we can do with those. And then we have some little ITD samples, and these are just gold roses. So you can do a lot with those too. Just add it here and there to your project. So I have some, those are all just free samples. Okay, let's get into what I bought. I just keep adding one at a time some distress spritz to my order, and this is Twisted Citron. So if we go through so far what I've gotten, we've gotten some nice fall colors. I've gotten the Marmalade, the Barn Door, Worn Lipstick, which is a nice pink. I love the Worn Lipstick, and then Twisted Citron. So we have those colors so far, but this order I just added the Twisted Citron on. And then pretty soon I'll have my Lavinia stamp video up, and we have 2 more to add to my inventory. And I wanted to get the crows because when I did my inventory, I realized that I did not have them. Barrick and Drake, the crows, and they're a good size. They're a big crow, so they could definitely be a centerpiece. I wonder if I missed if they had smaller ones. So I'm going to add those to my inventory before we put those up. And then I got some more mix-em-ups. These things are so super cute. I haven't used any yet. So we got the fall colors, and then this purple that has the perils in it, and it's like a mermaid. It's got seashells and stuff in it, so that's neat. And I have a video coming up. I finished up a project that was sitting around. I have several projects that I need to finish up that are sitting around, and I finished those up. So I'll have a video coming from that soon. And then I told you that there was some graphic 45 that I needed to come back and get, so I'm not going to go through page by page, but I got the graphic 45 Autumn Greetings collection in the 12 by 12. Nice colors. And that's why I got the fall shake mix too. I got the 8 by 8. And the 12 by 12 solids pack, patterns and solids. I love the black when they do a black. And then I got the chipboard stickers, which will be fun. Well, these are a bit thicker than what I'm used to. So these are, for graphic 45, I don't think they've ever done these. But I like them. They add dimension, but not as much as the chipboard ephemera pack. And they're double-sided. Love that fox. I couldn't go without it. Okay, so I went back and got that one because it was a must and I hadn't got it yet. I don't remember if I'm all up to date with my graphic 45. And then this one is my new obsession. This is the Ciao Bella collection, and it is called Esprit de Voyage. And look at the buildings. So this one I am going to share with you. This is like this is the big, part of my haul here today. Look at all the, it's like a steampunk with hummingbirds and a lot of coppers and blues. Wait till you see the foil. Butterflies, which I can't resist a good steampunk, and Ciao Bella does well. Ciao Bella does it well. Maps. Look at the, of course, your hot air balloons. I love these buildings. It's probably the selling point for me. Another hot air balloon. Nice background. We got the cut aparts that need to be fussy cut. Another hot air balloon. And if you don't want a fussy cut, you don't have to. You just use the back of that page. Okay. Ears on that blue, and that looks like rusty tile. And then we have an entire page of like sentiments. And you could definitely make some cards with these. Dreams are whispers from the soul. Every step is an adventure. Every road a tale. I won't go through all of them, but I'm going to pause that if you'd like to see. I love that pattern. The other ones were kind of rustic. This one's very clean, and this one is too. The butterflies, and they look like metal roses. It's a nice newspaper. And back. Alright, well, I've got some dragonflies in the collection. Okay, so that was the 12 by 12. Is the 8 by 8 the same? The 8 by 8 is the same except smaller. Actually, no, it's not. Okay, we're gonna go through the 8x8. Because I don't recall any of the 12x12 having that on there. And I don't think I can do an 8x8 by 3-inch album with this, but like a 6x8 by 2-inch, I'll easily be able to swing out of what I bought here. So very similar. That one's a repeat. That one looks new, but I like the navies on it. Repeat. There's some journaling cards for you. And a better size. I like the journaling cards on the 8x8s because to me, they're a better size. Like when you get 4x6 journaling cards, sometimes for me that's hard to put in a journal or a mini album. But these guys are perfect size every time, no matter what size your mini album is. There's the cut aparts again. If you don't want to cut apart. On the back, this is the same as the 12x12. That's a repeat pattern from the 12x12, but very small. Very small balloons. The map, I like this map better than the 12x12. These guys here, this I'll probably use on a small page or a pocket. Hummingbirds. This is similar, but I think a little different than the 12x12 collage. And then the front page, or back of the front page, and then the front page, which you can absolutely still use these things. Okay, so the 8x8, just in case it was a little bit different. And then I went ahead, I typically don't because it's hard to incorporate into a mini album, but I have some ideas. The vellum package, and it was just because this paper is so excellent. I was like, I bet the vellum will look super cool. So I have some ideas about making like window pages so that you can see through them. So in order to see these, I'm going to move that out of the way. I just love the way vellum looks. So these are like A4, the legal size. So there's your butterflies. You can see that they're vellum. We got a regular piece of vellum between there so you could actually see the pattern. Okay, there's your map. I like that. When the map gets big, it does get a little muddy, but the entire collection's a little muddy, so nice. I really like that. This blue is very rich and deep. Okay, and then the clock compass page there. Nice colors. The navy is real rich, and then that teal color is real rich. So that is the vellum paper. It tells you you get 6 sheets. One of them is the plain. And then this deluxe paper is beautiful. So there's 5 gold sheets. And I think you guys are going to like this. I seen this and I was like, wow. But the pictures online, you just can't tell. So hopefully you'll be able to see in this video how shiny this is. Look at that. And it's not just the gold either, the orangey rusty red there also. That's one. There's 5 sheets. This blue, this again, it's the rich blue. I think I'm going to just do this and do a little post on the Facebook group. If you're not a member of the Facebook group, head on over to ASC Supplies. ASC Supplies on, well, go to Etsy, ASC Supplies to place your order, but the ASC VIP Facebook group, it's in my description box below. Look at that. It's lovely. Your compasses. We post things there all the time. Everybody in the group is positive and happy and creative, and we love new people. So be sure you join the group. Okay, so that's it. I've kept you guys long enough. I just wanted to show you these collections. Of course, this is the feature since it's a new collection from Ciao Bella. And it is called, again, let me find it, L'Esprit de Voyage. And don't forget to get this deluxe paper gold sheet when you get your collection. It's amazing. Okay, you guys, so head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy, asccraftsupplies.com. Use ScrappingPosh10 for 10% off your normal price purchase, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.